How to attach and remove EVABarrier hosing from duotight fittings. First, you want to make sure you've got 4x8 or 5x8 EVABarrier hosing and that both ends that you're using are cut flush. This one here's got a little bit of a burr bit on the end, so I'm just going to trim that off now. A tube cutter is really the perfect tool for this job, as it's able to give a clean, fresh cut every time. Now, you can use a little bit of lubricant on the end just to make it a little bit easier to get in, but it can be done dry just by doing a twisting motion. First, we'll want to check the depth, making sure that you have to push in all the way to where the arrow meets the line. You can use a texter. I'm just going to use my thumb. Then again in a twisting motion all the way until you hit that mark that you've done on the hose. Now to remove, don't pull. This is bad. It's not going to work. What you want to do is either use your tube cutter end or a 7-in-1 tool. This has been specifically designed to help push the collet and twist out to remove. You can use your 2 fingers on either side if you don't have these tools. You'll just have to push and twist again. Now the ends, if they start to get chewed up, best to cut it off to a clean part just to avoid any potential leaks in the future. Twisting in, making sure you're pushing all the way to the very end, and you're done.